Chapter 2: Law, Crime, and Justice. The law is meant to be our compass, not our cudgel. In a world of frayed trust, it should point us towards safety, fairness, and dignity. But too often it swings with politics, profit, or panic. We keep reaching for blunt fixes and wonder why they bruise more than they heal. Take the everyday places where justice first breathes: homes, schools, roads. Finding parents over lunchboxes confuses cause and symptom. Most families juggle money, time, culture, and fussy appetites. Start with help, not punishment. In the home, we've blurred the line between firm guidance and harm. Children need boundaries grounded in care, not fear. Demonizing all discipline breeds chaos. Excusing cruelty shatters trust. Status bends perception too. Celebrities and star athletes aren't legally untouchable, but money buys time, talent, and strategy. The cure isn't dragging the rich down, it's lifting the floor so outcomes follow evidence, not fame. Even our protections crack under pressure. Wills and powers of attorney can be twisted by loneliness, greed, or confusion. Stronger witnessing, capacity checks, and clear records turn paper shields into real ones. Free speech remains a pillar, yet it isn't a weapon license. When words are used to threaten and dehumanize, they stop being debate and start being harm. Drawing that line protects the public square for everyone. The same honesty belongs in our fact-finding. Polygraphs read stress, not truth. Use them, if at all, to shape questions, not verdicts. On the road, our contradictions are glaring. Enforcement that hides in bushes breeds cynicism. Drink driving that maims families still draws slaps on the wrist. Real deterrence is sharper and clearer. Transparent, risk-based enforcement, tougher tiers for alcohol offenses, and the plainest rule of all: no drinking if you'll drive. Tolerance varies, impairment doesn't. Phones belong out of mind, not just out of hand. A car is a fast, heavy promise to pay attention. Youth sits at the fault line between capacity and consequence. Brains finish wiring in the mid-20s, and the crash data shows it. Raise the driving age to 18, give every new driver a visible, enforceable probation, like Northern Ireland's R-plate, and cap early penalties tightly. Pair that with a higher drinking age, 21 at least, 25 ideally, so the riskiest years aren't soaked in easy access. Authority should mature before it commands. Policing and other coercive roles require judgment and presence that training can't rush. Set 25 as the floor. On motorways, technology and practice have outpaced a 70-mph rule many already bend. An 80-mph limit, managed by variable controls and novice restrictions, matches modern roads without blessing recklessness. The true killers are distraction, inexperience, and arrogance, problems that don't vanish at 70. Thread the pattern and a simple ethic appears. Help before you fine. Protect children without hollowing out parental responsibility. Close the justice gap by lifting access, not leveling talent. Fortify end-of-life documents against quiet abuse. Guard speech so it can be free without becoming a cudgel. Keep junk science out of court. Make road laws about risk and clarity, not revenue and gotchas. Expect more of authority, later and better. Justice is not a stack of codes. It is a living promise measured by how people actually fare. It should learn quickly from data, from failure, from those it serves. Because in the end, the only mistake that truly matters is the one we refuse to learn from.